Hi, this is Mrs. Hosmer, and today I'm going to show you a fast and easy and cheap, I did say cheap, science experiment that you can do for your class. Okay? Um, I got these seeds, tomato seeds, 4 for $1, so quarter technically. And then I bought these cups with lids, plastic, so you can actually see the roots too, which is kind of neat. So you get 10 of them for $1. Anyways. You only need 2 because you're going to have the same size container, the same amount of dirt in each. And you put the seeds down, it'll tell you on the back of the package, 1/4 of an inch down into the soil and then cover it. And you're going to water them both. But one of them, you're going to put a lid on top. And you are going to write down today's date or the day that you plant them. And put them on the same windowsill where they get the same amount of sun and see which tomato seed germinates the fastest. Okay? So you're going to make a hypothesis. I think that the one with no lid is going to germinate the fastest, or I think that the one with the lid will germinate the fastest, or I think that they will grow at the same rate. Okay?